Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Yesterday was the completely unexpected day for the market and for the traders. The market opened down with a huge gap as compared to the Singapore Nifty. Secondly, despite the market has broken crucial support at 14,250, it recovered back in the second half. And finally, bank stocks recovered sharply from lower levels, which is the most impacted or affected sector. However, the announcement from the government that has vaccination for above 18 years from May 1st is a big positive statement or announcement, and that must have predicted the price. On Monday, I'm to say yesterday, the market has broken crucial support uh, due to unusual rise in the COVID cases, but the news flow is highly uncertain, and eventually we saw the market recovering from lower levels. It went down to the levels of 14,200, but the recovery was much faster than the sell-off was, and we saw the market was closing towards the highest point of the day. For the day, we are of the view that the market should remain range bound between the levels of 14,450 on the higher side and 14,300 on the downside. The reason is because tomorrow is the holiday for the market, and that will keep the market range bound or a little bit cautious on the higher side. But yes, in case if we see the market starts sustaining comfortably above the mark of 14,450, then we can expect furthermore rally in the market. The overall news flow is completely uncertain, and that is why we are of the view that we should be careful while trading in the market. Trade with strict stop losses, and uh, choose your stocks accordingly. We saw stock specific activity. Financials did well. Consumer durables did well, like Havells, Voltas. They are showing a lot of strength because currently they are available at their important support areas. At the same time, the recovery is along with huge volumes based on delivery based volume. So it shows that somebody must have taken interest in this consumer durables. We saw some profit taking in FMCG, but there was buying in pharmaceutical stocks. Again, the news flow is very strong for the sector. Aurobindo Pharma, Dr. Reddy, as well as Cadila and Cipla, they did well. They closed at the highest point of the day, and we can expect further more activity in these stocks. On the downside, as we mentioned, 14,300, 14,250 would be again major support for the market. For Bank Nifty, 31,500 should be the range, and on the downside 30,800 or 30,900 is the area of support. So for Bank Nifty, in case if we see it is sustaining above the mark of 31,500, then we can expect further more activity. But otherwise, as the markets are going to shut on Wednesday, we are of the view that we should be little bit careful while adding long position at the highest point of the day. That's all from my side. With this, I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening in, and have a great day to all of you.